Hi, boys and girls. This is what you're going to be doing for writing today. So it's in Seesaw. You would go in and you're going to see roll as story. So the first thing you're going to see is the dice up here with the different numbers, and you can't click on anything down here. And we have main character, setting, which is where the story takes place, and the problem. So we're going to roll a dice to see what number we're going to pick. So if you click on this link right here, it's going to take you to a dice. And what you want to do is you want to click on this purple triangle and you want to pick this dice right here. And then we're going to throw it and it's going to give us a number. All right, so we're going to start with 5. So I'm going to go back to Seesaw and I'm going to find the number 5. So in my story, my main character is going to be a bunny rabbit. So I got my character and I'm just going to circle the rabbit so I don't forget. Then I'm going to go back and now I need to pick what setting. So let's throw the dice again. Okay, we got the number 1. So the number 1 is, for setting, is mountains. So now I'm going to write a story about a bunny rabbit that lives in the mountains, or it's doing something in the mountains. And now let's see what our problem's going to be. We're going to throw the dice again. All right, we got the number 2. So there's going to be a tornado. So we have to write a story about a bunny who lives in the mountains and there's a tornado. You are going to get a different story. Everybody's going to have a different story because everyone's going to roll different numbers. So once you get your character, your setting, and your problem, you go to the second slide, and this is where you're going to write your story, and you're going to type it. Okay, we're not going to write it with the tool. We're going to type it. And I want you to make sure you have capitals, punctuation, make it an interesting story, and have fun with it. The third slide, you're going to illustrate your story. So draw a picture of what your story would look like if it had a picture. So make sure your picture matches your story. And then when you're all done, you will click the check, and that is what you are going to do today for writing.